Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing holiday season. Today I want to share with you guys a really fun festive breakfast or brunch idea. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already and give the video a thumbs up before you leave. Let's start by going over the ingredients we'll be using for this quick and easy breakfast or brunch recipe. So I have here some spinach, I have here 4 eggs, I have here some pasta sauce, I have here some cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you may have at home. I have here 1 onions, and lastly I have here some boiled macaroni. I boiled them with some vegetable oil and some salt. I'm just going to start by roughly chopping my spinach. You can cut your spinach however you want, or you can use it just as it is. Then I'll go over to my onions. I'm going to cut them into rings. This is just a personal preference, but I think it will make the dish more beautiful. In a bowl, I'm just going to break my eggs. So guys, this dish is so easy to make and you can totally adjust it to your taste. As always, I'm going to have all the ingredients listed in the description box. Next, I'm going to pour my pasta sauce into my eggs and I'll whisk it all up to make sure everything is perfectly combined. So if you have not given the video a thumbs up yet, please take a moment to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And now my mixture is looking good. I'll just set it aside. It's now time to layer our dish. I'm going to start with some cheese. You can choose to layer this dish however you want. Then I'll go ahead to add some pasta. Then on top of that, I'm going to add my onions for flavor. Next, I'm adding my pasta sauce and egg mixture. Next, I'm adding some spinach for color. And then some more cheese. And then another layer of pasta. And then another layer of onions. Making this dish was actually so much fun. And the next thing I'm adding is my pasta sauce and egg mixture. And then some more cheese. And at the very top, I'm adding some spinach. I'm just pressing everything down a little bit just to make sure everything is perfectly incorporated. Then I'm just going to be placing it in a 320 degrees preheated oven for about 20 minutes. And after that, your dish should be ready. It's that easy. You can bake it for longer if you want the top to get nice and crispy, but this is perfectly fine for me. So this dish looked so beautiful and inviting right out of the oven, and I'm telling you, it tasted so good. Feel free to try out this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. You can also share it out to your family and friends this holiday season. This dish is best enjoyed and eaten while it is still hot, and my family really enjoyed every bite, and I also enjoyed making it, and I hope you also enjoyed watching today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Have an amazing holiday season, guys, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.